Hello, welcome along everyone. Today we're going to do a review of this Uten air fryer. So we'll have a close look at it, shall we? What I do like about this, it's lovely looking and it is all digital. So we switch it on. And as you can see, a lovely front panel lights up there. We'll switch it on and straight away there's a temperature of 180 and 15 minutes. This is for cooking probably meat or something, but this is just the first initial flash on. And what you've got here is plus and minus on either side. So on this side you can alter the temperature, as you can see, like that, and it's lovely. It does it in 10-degree increments, which is rather nice. Over this side we have the minutes, so again in 1 minute increments, so you can vary the amount of cooking time and the temperature very easily. So best thing I like about this is the menu, which is here. As you see, we've brought up fries, chips, or whatever you like to call them, and the recommendation is 200 degrees and 80 minutes, so it's automatically at the right setting for you. Obviously if you want more or less, you can increase the minutes, you can increase the heat, or you can decrease it. Next up then we have meat. There is suggested temperature and suggested times and minutes. Again, you can vary those at will, which is good. Next one up, and we have chicken. There's our suggested temperature again and minutes on that one. Next one up is steak. There we are with the suggested times. Next one is cake. That's got to be a good one, isn't it? We all love our cake, especially, I mean, there's the suggested times and temperature for that one. Next one, shrimp. Yeah, I know, that's quite an odd one, I think, but there you are. 180, not many of us have shrimp, but there we are, it's on there. And so on to the last one. And there it is, that's obviously fish. And that suggests 10 minutes, 180. Again, as I say, all these temperatures and minutes times are variable by you. So that gives you a lot of range for your foods in this. Okay, then we'll say that we're going to cook a piece of fish. To turn it on, it's quite simple, this button in the middle here. And away we go. You can see the fan is turning. The machine is now on. You should be able to hear that. The fan running, and the element is coming on, which I'm going to show you the insides of it now, and we're going to pull the front out to show you how that is. So for now we'll turn it off. So one very important thing to come to mind with these things, I'll show you the camera, and that's this thing here. This is the exhaust port for this unit. It will exit steam, it will be very hot. Don't have this facing out into a room where children might walk in front of it, etc. Don't have it facing a wall with paint on it. It may peel it off because it's hot steam that's coming out. You will see it anyway. Okay, so we're going to go to opening unit now. Quite easy. A little handle here. Okay, we push that forward and out it comes. Okay, now we have the whole unit with the fryer in there. If you want to get that out, it's fairly easy. Push that down. And away it comes. Look at that. So you can get your chips or whatever, tip them all out on the plate when they're all cooked, and fill it up when you want to fill it up with whatever you happen to be cooking. Great idea. I've got the unit on its side now, so you can see where the element is at the top of the cooker, and you can see that there's a fan behind it that obviously propels heat down over the food you're cooking. And down on its side there you can actually see the vent that I was talking about, the hot air exhaust vent. Obviously the heat and steam is going to go out of there, especially as you cook wet food, especially fish and stuff, you're going to get that. So that is basically the whole unit. And as you can see, really at the end of the day, it's an element with a fan and some fancy digital controls. How it's going to get on, we'll let you know. Here then is all the operational steps. They're all in the little booklet that comes with it, which is rather handy. What I do like though, when you turn over here, there is a finish bell, a little bell that goes when the timing's up, which I think you do need these days. We're always too busy, aren't we, to look over things. So it chimes off when it's ready, which is rather good. Also, it does say here to shake. Alright, whatever you're cooking, it will say what it is, and to shake whatever it is you're cooking. And that is dependent on what it is and what you're doing, just to give it a little shake round. Again, like, I really like the fact that very little oil is needed. I mean, homemade fries, half a teaspoonful of oil, that's all you put in. So that's That's got to be good for your health for sure. Let's have chips tonight. Then, this is the air fryer from Uten. I will have a link on the bottom of the video description if you'd like one from Amazon where we got ours from. We will be using the set menu that's on the top of here that I showed you all the diagrams of over the next few weeks. Jan's looking forward to having a go, especially I'm looking forward to the chips. Should be good. What else can I tell you about it? Well, there's a PDF with 7 recipes on it that are downloadable. And obviously we're going to do a good few ideas on cooking in this thing over the next few weeks, so I will keep you posted on those. We'll bring them up as videos. Jan will do them probably, and we look forward to it. So usual thing, keep your eye posted on my channel, Derek33, and thanks very much for watching everybody. Bye bye.
You notice Jan will be cooking them, I bet you'll be eating them.
Probably. I know so.